Yeah. Well, hey, Mike. Looks like you're going skydiving.
Yep.
Any particular reason?
It's my son's 20th birthday this week, and my wife's always wanted to do this, and I thought, well, what the heck? I've lived long enough.
Sounds like a great plan. Sounds like fun. Well, me, you, and Dave, our Divot are going to go up about 2 miles.
Right.
We're going to jump out. Divot's going to show you around the sky. I'll meet you back here on the ground. Any last words?
No. Let's go for it.
All right. How was it?
Huh? Great.
Good.
Great. You did a great job.
What was the best part?
What's that?
What was the best part?
Actually, the initial rush jumping out, I think, was the best.
Really? Well, thanks for jumping with us.
Thanks. Great.
Ready?
Fun time.
Woo!